Have you ever wished you could read real Japanese and really understand it and enjoy it too? Hi, I'm Clay.
Yumi です。
And we have a very special deal for you. But first, a little about the Japanese Reader Collection.
私たちがジャパニーズリーダーを作ったのは2つの理由があります。
To make reading Japanese as easy as possible for beginners and intermediates, and
楽しむため。
Often adult learners pick up children's books to practice reading.
私たちの本は子供用ではありません。
You won't find stories intended for children that will bore adults. These stories are traditional tales, folklore, and illustrations of Japanese culture. All stories are well known to any Japanese person, but very few outside of Japan have ever heard of them.
それだけじゃないです。
You'll also learn vocabulary, kanji, grammar, and culture. Here's the deal. For a limited time, we are offering every volume we have produced and future volumes that we will produce as an instant download bundle for one incredibly low price. You'll receive not only all released volumes, but future volumes at no extra charge. Get all these in ebook format and receive a download link for the Kindle Mobi, EPUB, and PDF formats. Plus, you'll also be able to download all the MP3s of the stories read by Yumi. Keep reading below to learn more about this exciting offer. Buy it today, and if you have a question or comment, please email me at clay@thejapanshop.com. Thank you, and bye!
またね。